Yo, what's going on? Um, so on this particular video, guys, this build, I try to get some of the footage of it. This is a cool build, so I do want to share it, but I'm just gonna have to give it like a quick breakdown of what exactly went on with this build. This was local guy reached out to us, wanted to do, he kind of had his mind set on doing a procharger setup, just a simple little setup, and that's what we gave him. That's pretty much what we consider our 700 package, 700 horsepower package. It's based off the procharger P1X kit. We do obviously do some upgrades with it as far as some stuff to the fuel system. We did some injectors, did headers, little things like that. I'm close. The mosquitoes are getting bad. But anyways, so yeah, this thing was our basic 700 horsepower package. His idea of it was that he wanted to make 750 horsepower and be happy with it. He had just got the clutch done, so we were good in that department, but other than that, it was just basically stock. We went ahead and did the procharger P1X kit. We did ID 1050X injectors. We did oil pump gears and sprocket, and I think we ended up doing the Corsa headers. At the time, all the header companies out there, it was really hard to get headers, so those were the moans we managed to put our hands on and did those. And then we also did just a simple VMP booster pump. This thing made the power that you see it's gonna make here. It made that power at on 93 octane, so which is pretty cool. It's a 93 octane car. All we did as far as fuel system goes, we added a booster pump, VMP booster pump, just a voltage booster, whatever you want to call it. Did that, and then we also did what else? I think we ended up modifying the exhaust so it can actually flow a little bit better. But yeah, that's it, man. It's super simple setup. It was a quick little job that we did, and I love those, man, because those are in and out, and those are fun cars. Procharger cars, man, they're fun. Anyways, yeah, so stay tuned, watch this video. It'll kind of give you guys a breakdown of us building the car and doing all the little miscellaneous things and the cool shit we do on the dyno. So check it out.
Brian's dyno in the procharger car we just finished. Right. That blue is 90 though. Shit. Richard. Somebody. That blue is so nice. Simple setup. I'll go leve. Just like how did Edgar say it. Too crazy. Nice man, a mustang. Yeah, y'all know how we come in. That was an easy build, nothing too hard, simple.
different setup. We'll do the air to air, get rid of the air to water.
There's a beaner behind you.
If we have time with this.
Was it on a trailer though?
You probably took it.
Nah.
AC,
The
AC delete.
Uh,
I told him like 60 bucks. And not the fuel cell?
if I have time, we'll do the filter. Because we gotta get lines, filters, all that shit. We gotta replenish.
You find the third member? Glide swapping.
And when we get it, I'll drop trans and I'll pull the third member. Ask
Yeah,
what's
he
his name,
gonna
see if
pull
he
the
can get
number.
if he can get a gear.
That third one.
If you can get the gear, then
Ace past dyno.
shit. 2 pulls, 1 revision.
Still 125 an hour for the dyno. Go ahead and do an extra 2 or 3 if you want to get your money's worth.
Probably made 672. All it needs.
That invoice still 13,000 though.
On God.
Why you filming? No, ain't nobody gonna edit your shit.
What a hoe. Levi already said he is.
I'll fire that nigga, and you can't afford him full time. So I know he won't.
You're gonna fire Levi?
Yeah, I'll fire him.
If he helps me?
Yep,
What?
100%.
What a hoe.
It's already bad enough that y'all steal my footage. Now he's just gonna take it from here and go use it over there for you.
How do I steal your footage? I record my own shit.
It's bad enough you steal my content. So we all going to the track, but let me snipe the video and post it first.
Why are you worried about it? You have like 90,000 subscribers and I have like 400.
Look, bro, I'm just mad because Randy didn't pay you $5 grand on your backflip. So make sure you add that to his invoice.
It's on
Yeah,
there.
I know it's on there.
It's on there one way or another.
I think all your customers paying backflip rates.
That's so fucked up.
If you guys ever, think that we only do turbo cars or we only do big power cars, nah, man, we do those little quick stuff too, and those are, like I said, those to me are the most fun cars to do because they're simple, they're quick, and you get to, go out and enjoy the car. Customer was super happy, and I'm sure he's out there enjoying it now. So if you guys ever are interested in something like that, sky's the limit. And also, we can do the basic stuff as well. So reach out to me, sales@aldowelds, or hit us up on the website. You'll see our phone number on there, or mainly email stuff. So, but yeah, check out the video. Hope you enjoy. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.